15, 20 people jumped out of a car. And then they all, yeah. So